In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Teams account. Open your web browser and head to the official Microsoft Teams website. You'll land on the sign-in page. Since you're creating a new account, look for the option that says Create an account or Create one and select it. This tells Microsoft you want to set up a fresh profile rather than sign in with an existing one. Next, you'll be asked for an email address. Enter an email you can access right now. It can be personal or work-related depending on how you plan to use Teams. What matters most is that you can receive messages at that address because you'll need it for verification and future recovery. Take a moment to check for typos before continuing. A mistyped email will slow everything down. Microsoft will send a verification code to your inbox. Keep the browser page open, then open your email in another tab or on your phone and copy the code. If it doesn't arrive within a minute or two, refresh your inbox, check your junk or spam folder, and if needed, request a new code. Return to the Teams page, paste the code, and move forward. You'll now provide a few basic details, including your country or region and your date of birth. Choose the country that matches where you live or where your organization operates, as this can influence available features and compliance settings. Your birth date helps confirm eligibility and applies the right safety protections. After that, enter your first and last name. This is the name others will see in chats, channels, and meetings, so use the name you want to represent you professionally or personally. You can adjust it later in your profile if you need to. To protect the platform from bots, you'll complete a brief human verification challenge. Just follow the on-screen instructions, whether it's a quick puzzle or typing characters, and continue once it confirms you're all set. When your account is created, you'll see a short note explaining that your sign-in is now a Microsoft account. That means you can use the same credentials across various Microsoft services. Take a moment to review any prompts about staying signed in or managing privacy settings and choose the options that fit your preferences. And that's it. You now have your Teams account. From here, you can start a chat, join a meeting you've been invited to, or explore the interface to get familiar. For quick access later, consider bookmarking the Teams page. If you prefer using apps, you can also install the desktop or mobile versions whenever you're ready.